refrigerator shelves. I love them because they definitely prevent any spills onto the actual glass, which is very difficult to clean up. Liquids, I always get stickiness from the liquids, so by having these, it just kind of helps to prevent that stickiness and that buildup. These are easily washable. You can cut them down to size based upon the actual shelf. You'll see that there's a little tiny gap in the back of that particular shelf. I certainly could have overlapped it, but the majority of the items that I wanted to prevent on the shelf liner is actually covered.
Here's the never need a lighter again. And then you charge it, and then you light it up. And it lights it. It smells so good. Thank you.